Hi everyone, Mike Winfield from Maptek in Sydney. Just want to go through some more Maptek workbench command lists, which you can find under the Customize section. As opposed to our toolbars and favorites, we can create ourselves a command list. So I'm just going to create one here for labeling dip and strike for some geotech options. And the process is to add up some various functionality. So we're going to use the model and triangle surface and slope to generate our triangles. We can then go through the design templated attribute functionality and set up a dip and strike value and assign that data for our arrows. And then lastly, we can label them up using our standard analyze, label and advanced object label functionality. So we can streamline that up and add them in there, and we can just go through one at a time, and that's our command list. So when we hit apply and OK, we can see up the top of our menu got a command list. This is our label dip and strike, and we can work through our process. So again, the purpose of our slope and labeling functionality is to create triangles which we can label our dips and strikes on our surfaces for each triangle on our triangulation. So the methodology for that is done in the command list. So now we have our command list, we can just run through the functionality and generate the results in a very easy workflow. So we can do one at a time, or we can run through all of them. So I'm going to create myself a dip and strike. I've got my surface running through there, my templates. I can check my bearing for my points. I can check my dip for my points. I'm happy with that. I can go, and this time I'm going to apply assigning my data just by group. I'm going to select the arrow group. I might just maybe get rid of my triangulation for now. And these are grouped up. The arrows are all grouped up as an arrow group, and I can apply them all together, and that will apply that surface quite easily. Then the last step is just the standard spec file which we've run. So we've set that up already, and that's just the standard display for our text, and we'll apply that again. We'll apply that just to our group with our arrows. Once we've done that, we can label up our arrows, and there is the complete command list. So you can see how once it's set up in a command list workflow, the result is very, very quick and very easy to follow. Thank you for your time.